Welcome to the ultimate clash of absolute motorcycle royalty, a showdown that every true rider has been begging for in 2026. Today we are witnessing a monumental face-off between two of the most legendary machines ever crafted by human hands. It is going to be an absolutely insane ride from start to finish. We are talking about the breathtaking 2026 Honda Fury and the incredibly majestic 2026 Yamaha Star Raider. These aren't just motorcycles. They are rolling pieces of modern art that command absolute respect on every street they conquer. Both are absolute titans that have redefined what it means to hit the open road in style. The concept we are diving into today is absolutely mind-blowing, designed to give you the most immersive experience possible. To make this visual journey even more epic, we have blended cutting-edge concept AI, generator visuals with stunning reality clips in this script's video. This ensures that you are getting the most surreal and accurate look at these magnificent beasts. You can sit back, relax, and watch peacefully as these hyper-realistic clips bring the magic of both bikes right to your screen. It is a cinematic visual feast that perfectly matches the sheer mechanical perfection of these two legendary cruisers. We wanted to make sure you feel the rumble of these engines right through your display. Right out of the gate, I have to say that comparing these two titans is like choosing between two priceless diamonds. Both of these masterpieces offer a writing experience that is so pure, so visceral, and so deeply satisfying that it leaves you completely speechless. They are both absolute winners in every single category that matters to a true writer. The level of engineering and passion poured into both the Honda Fury and the Yamaha Star Raider is off the charts for 2026. They each bring their own unique flavor of perfection, making it impossible to say one is objectively better than the other, because they are both flawless. The factories truly went above and beyond to deliver pure excellence. When you look at the way they sit on the tarmac, both bikes exude a level of dominance and aggressive elegance that is extremely rare. They capture the classic chopper spirit, while being perfectly infused with the most reliable, state-of-the-art technology available today. It is the perfect marriage of old-school soul and futuristic innovation. This comparison is all about celebrating the absolute pinnacle of cruiser perfection, highlighting how each brand has created a timeless icon. Get ready to be amazed, because the level of detail, power, and absolute beauty we are about to explore will completely blow your mind. Both of these bikes are going to steal your heart today. Let us talk about the jaw-dropping beauty of the 2026 Honda Fury, a machine that literally turns heads everywhere it goes. Its stretched-out wheelbase, aggressively raked front end, and seamless flowing lines make it look like a custom-built dream, straight from a high-end garage. It is an absolute showstopper that screams premium quality. The Fury has this incredibly sleek, minimalist aesthetic that somehow manages to look incredibly muscular and dominant at the same time. The way the viral high-gloss paint glistens over that beautifully teardrop-shaped fuel tank is nothing short of mesmerizing. Every single curve has been sculpted to slice through the air with effortless grace. On the flip side, the 2026 Yamaha Star Raider is an absolute showstopper that flexes a more muscular, sweeping, and bold design language. It is a masterpiece of chrome and perfectly sculpted metal that demands attention. The second it pulls up to an intersection, you can feel its heavy, powerful presence before you even hear the engine. The Star Raider features these gorgeous, sweeping fenders in a massive V-twin engine that sits like a beating heart of pure silver and black. Every single angle on the Yamaha is designed to look powerful, luxurious, and undeniably premium. It truly feels like riding a customized work of heavy metal art. Both bikes achieve an unmatched level of aesthetic perfection, but they do it in their own incredibly special ways. The Honda gives you that lean, mean custom chopper vibe, while the Yamaha delivers that thick, powerful road-dominating presence. They both light up the streets and leave onlookers absolutely stunned. You genuinely cannot go wrong with either of these designs, as both companies have outdone themselves in making sure every curve is flawless. It is a true testament to how deeply both Honda and Yamaha understand the visual soul of a modern heavy cruiser. They are both exceptionally stunning and instantly iconic. The craftsmanship on display here is so elite that you will often find yourself just staring at them in your garage. For hours they are rolling sculptures, brilliantly blending mechanical brute force with the delicate, precise touch of a master artist's brush. It is truly a privilege just to look at them. Now, moving beyond their insane good looks, let us dive into the jaw-dropping durability and structural strength of these incredible machines. Both manufacturers have employed top-tier, aerospace-grade materials in 2026 to ensure these bikes will literally outlast all of us. They are built to conquer the test of time effortlessly. The Honda Fury is built on a high-tensile steel frame that is meticulously welded to provide unbelievable rigidity and perfectly balanced handling. The way Honda manufactures this bike involves precision robotics and master craftsmen, ensuring every single bolt is tightened to absolute perfection. The build quality is legendary and bulletproof. Yamaha matches this intensity with the Star Raider, utilizing an incredibly robust double cradle frame that handles the massive torque effortlessly. Yamaha's legendary manufacturing process guarantees a level of rugged reliability that seasoned riders have trusted for decades. It is built like a fortress on two wheels. These aren't bikes that are going to rattle apart or fade away after a few years of hard riding on the open highway. They are built like absolute tanks, incredibly resilient to the elements, and designed to endure thousands of miles of epic road trips. You are investing in a lifetime of unbreakable mechanical loyalty. You can feel this immense build quality the second you grab the handlebars and lift the bike off its kickstand. The sheer solidity and balanced weight distribution of both the Fury and the Star Raider give you a profound sense of confidence. They feel planted, secure and ready to conquer any road you point them down. Whether you are carving through canyon roads or cruising down a desert highway, the chassis on both bikes remain incredibly composed and stable. They absorb vibrations and bumps with such grace that you feel like you are gliding on a cloud of perfectly engineered metal. The comfort is just as phenomenal as the strength. Both companies have mastered the art of building indestructible machines that do not compromise an ounce of style or comfort. It is truly remarkable to see how much strength and durability has been packed into such beautiful, elegant silhouettes. They are the ultimate definition of beauty matching brawn. Now I want to share something very special and personal with you all that makes this comparison deeply meaningful to me. I actually have both of these phenomenal motorcycles sitting in my own personal garage right now, ready to ride at a moment's notice. I live and breathe these bikes every single day. Yes, you heard that right. I proudly own both the 2026 Honda Fury and the 2026 Yamaha Star Raider, and I ride them constantly. Because I experience their greatness every single day, I am sharing this message directly from my heart to all of you, amazing viewers tuning into AIMA Auto. Here at AIMA Auto, we only bring you the most authentic, passionate and high-quality automotive content on the internet. Riding both of these legends has given me a profound appreciation for what true motorcycle perfection actually feels like. On the open road, I am speaking from real, joyous hands-on experience. Having both bikes means I get to wake up and decide whether I want the sleek agility of the Fury or the bold thunder of the Raider. It is an absolute dream come true, and I can honestly tell you that every single ride is a life-changing, euphoric experience. They both fill my life with an incredible amount of happiness. The feedback I get from other riders and pedestrians when I am out on either of these bikes is overwhelmingly positive and viral. People are constantly stopping me to take pictures, ask questions, and admire the sheer brilliance of these two unique machines. They are ultimate conversation starters. Everywhere I park them, I am sharing this real-world hands-on experience, so you know just how incredibly special both of these motorcycles truly are. They have brought so much joy, thrill, and peace into my life, and I know they would do the exact same for any of you. They are more than just bikes. They are a glorious lifestyle. Let us talk about fuel efficiency, because even massive cruisers like these have seen incredible advancements in engine management for 2026. The companies have brilliantly optimized the fuel delivery systems to ensure you get fantastic mileage without sacrificing a single drop of that earth-shaking power. It is a win-win for everyone. The Honda Fury is surprisingly economical. For a custom-styled 1312 ccb twin, sipping fuel with incredible precision, thanks to Honda's advanced PGM5 system, you are looking at a highly impressive fuel average that allows for long, uninterrupted stretches of highway cruising without constantly hunting for gas stations. It runs flawlessly and efficiently. The Yamaha Star Raider, despite its massive, thunderous 1,854cc engine, also delivers an astonishingly good fuel average. For its supreme weight class, Yamaha's refined twin-bore electronic fuel injection ensures that every ounce of gas is converted into pure, unadulterated forward momentum efficiently. It is remarkably clever engineering. Both bikes provide a touring range that makes them perfectly suited for those epic weekend getaways and cross-country adventures you always dreamed of. You get all the earth-shaking torque and power you crave. Paired with a fuel economy that keeps your wallet surprisingly happy, they are ready.